Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you Superman logo and you need only two felt pens, red and yellow. Firstly, I take red felt pen and I color 9 boxes at the top of the picture. One box here, and again one box here, and one more box here. Now from this box turn into the right diagonally and you should color 7 boxes diagonally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Coloring 7 boxes one by one. From this box you should color 7 boxes one by one diagonally to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Painting. And from this box turning to the left diagonally. 1 box coloring and 1 box coloring. From this box skip 1 box to the right and color 6 boxes to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 box here. Now from this box go down and color in 4 boxes, square. From this box go down and color in 8 boxes to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this box color in 8 boxes to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One box here coloring and 1 box here. From this box 3 boxes to the left and here 1 box is coloring. And from this box go down and 2 boxes coloring. Now I take yellow felt pen and I should color all these 1 boxes. That's all. As you see, it's a very simple picture. You can draw this picture very fast. Please give me your likes and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.